The 2025 election has delivered big changes for housing. And as legal lending specialists, we know the implications for lenders are immediate. From surging first home buyer demand to complex, compliance-heavy loan structures, these 8 reforms will reshape lending and legal processes over the next 12 months. Here's our expert breakdown. 100,000 homes for first home buyers. We're advising lenders to prepare for a sharp increase in loan activity from first-time buyers. From a legal standpoint, this means more contracts, more settlements, and a greater need for clarity when dealing with less experienced borrowers. Our advice? Streamline your approval and settlement workflows. Leverage automation and pre-configured document templates that reduce back and forth and improve speed without compromising compliance. Next, the expansion of the First Home Guarantee Scheme. With low deposit lending on the rise and no LMI to buffer your risk, the legal exposure here is real. Documentation must be watertight. You need clearly defined risk events, default protections, and enforceable recovery terms. We recommend a full review of your credit policy documentation and precedent updates that reflect current scheme conditions and legal safeguards. Now let's look at the Help to Buy scheme, where the government becomes a co-owner in the property. This is not business as usual. Servicing models and credit policies need to evolve to reflect shared equity ownership. Legally, we're helping lenders implement contracts that include caveats, resale provisions, and co-ownership enforcement clauses. Every one of these deals needs tailored legal treatment. The government's interest must be properly captured and protected. Build to rent is now in the spotlight, and the legal considerations are anything but straightforward. Lenders funding these developments need to be prepared for layered legal documentation, ongoing compliance, and tax-structured finance arrangements. This is where we're seeing the biggest shift away from templated documentation. These deals demand structured legal input from day one. Construction timelines are also changing, fast. Apprentice incentive payments are designed to speed up delivery, and that compresses funding cycles. From a legal perspective, we're advising clients to review their contract timelines, funding triggers, and milestone definitions. Tight timeframes mean you need your legal processes locked in and standardised to avoid costly delays. The foreign investor ban brings another layer of complexity. With demand shifting back to local buyers, it's more important than ever that foreign interest is flagged early. We're helping lenders tighten eligibility protocols, strengthen FIRB due diligence, and integrate residency verification at the front end of the approval process. Affordable housing is also getting a major funding boost under the Housing Australia Future Fund. We're advising lenders involved in these projects to be prepared for multi-party agreements, government reporting obligations, and strict governance clauses. These are high accountability transactions, and your legal documents need to reflect that from the outset. And finally, the national construction target, 1.2 million homes, will increase settlement volumes and legal workloads dramatically. We're already working with lenders to scale their systems and ensure legal accuracy holds under pressure. Digitised contracts, automated compliance checks, and clear delegation are critical to keeping pace. The takeaway? Lending is changing fast, and legal risk is increasing with every deal. At Green Mortgage Lawyers, we specialise in helping lenders adapt, protect, and scale confidently in a shifting environment. Download our free 2025 election outcome cheat sheet. And for a deeper dive, listen to our latest episode of The Briefing on Spotify. And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next update. We're breaking down the legal side of lending, one insight at a time, right here on our YouTube channel.